Howdy, my name is Weston Garland, and we're going to be talking about the squid, the Phylum Mollusca, and it is falls under the cephalopoda class. There are many different types of squid, and there are three classes of Phylum Mollusca. You have the gastropods, the bivalves, and the cephalopods, and the squid falls underneath the class of the cephalopods. Yeah. So the habitat, it lives in salt water. It is not a freshwater species, and from what I was able to learn, the deeper the squid likes to swim and live, the bigger it is, and the more shallow, the smaller it tends to be. It is a predator, but it is prey to bigger animals like seals, sperm whales as well. And it is a predator, feeds on many fish and crustaceans. It also feeds on other squid, and it's said that it can consume up to around 30% of its body weight in food. Okay, so here's some cool pictures of me and my buddy Carson dissecting in the lab. Just here are the pictures. We had already kind of cut open the mantle. I think in the next picture, we're showing us actually making our first insertion into the mantle and kind of revealing the gills and some more of the insides. Here we go. Yep, so here's us making our first insertion through the mantle. It was really thicker than we thought it was going to be. Had to pull out the scissors. We tried cutting it open with the knife, but we had to get to the scissors just to get through the mantle. It has this real thick coating to it, and it was older. It's been in the bag for a little while now, but it was interesting just to see how thick it was. We were able to cut it open. Here's a good picture on the left there. We were able to get the eyeballs, which were dried out. We got those out, and then we kind of cut the tentacles and the head off to reveal the siphon, the anus. We were able to see the ink sac, things like this. Find the gills, and then that right picture that you just saw was the jaw, kind of a beak-like jaw. And these were the dissection references from the lab activity, where we were able to kind of understand what we were looking at. Environmental importance definitely serves as a prey for dominant sea predators, and is also known to carry out critical nutrients and carbon throughout the ocean. So yeah, here are my sources, and thank you guys for listening. Excited for the next lab. God bless.